The city of Norfolk is well situated at the entrance to one of the country's fastest growing ports in the southeast Hampton Roads area. It is situated within the Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Newport Metropolitan Statistical Area. Norfolk is home to two significant regional shopping centers, and the waterfront boasts Waterside Festival Marketplace, which features remodeled spots for dining and entertainment. The Virginia Symphony touring Broadway productions and the Norfolk Forum lecture series all take place at Chrysler Hall, which is located in the heart of Norfolk. Norfolk serves as the official home base for the Virginia Opera, the state's opera company. Masterpieces from every significant civilization, historical era, and cultural group over the past 5,000 years may be found in the Chrysler Museum of Art, one of the top 20 museums in the United States. The USS Wisconsin, the biggest battleship in history, is on display at Nauticus, the National Maritime Center, which is also located in Norfolk. Surfing, boating, and fishing are all enjoyable outdoor activities in the Atlantic Ocean and Chesapeake Bay. The Norfolk Tides baseball team plays at the 12,000-seat Harbor Park Stadium in Norfolk. Near the airport and only a few minutes from the city center lies the Norfolk Botanical Garden. This is a great site to come whether you want to take a stroll in the forest, gaze at the vibrant gardens, or bring the kids on a hot summer day to play about in the splash pad. On 175 acres, there are over 60 theme gardens with a variety of flora that provide visitors a special experience all year long. The Chrysler Museum of Art is a unique jewel, housing an inspiring collection of artwork and antiquities that are all thoughtfully arranged in a beautiful edifice that underwent renovation in 2014. One of the best glass collections in the nation is housed at this free museum. Even non-art enthusiasts can be awestruck by the beauty and originality of this collection. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The 10.5-mile Elizabeth River Trail in Norfolk is a bikeable and walking trail that passes through lovely neighborhoods and offers visitors breathtaking views of the river. Spend an hour or two seeing your favorite areas of Norfolk, now that it's not hot enough to turn your shoes and bicycle tires into pedals. Travel through the Harbor Park, the Battleship Wisconsin, through Freemason's cobblestone streets, and along the Hague's waterfront promenade. Before checking out Lambert's Point tranquil surroundings, stop in Chelsea for a drink and a snack. The decommissioned World War II battleship USS Wisconsin is conveniently situated on the waterfront in the heart of Norfolk and is run by Nauticus. The ship is one of the biggest battleships the US Navy has ever built, and it is a commanding presence on the Norfolk port despite its many excellent attributes. It was one of the last battleships ever built by the US Navy when it was launched in December 1943. Wisconsin participated in the Second World War, the Korean War, and Operative Desert Storm in 1991. In between tours of duty, it also worked as a training ship. The Virginia Zoo is a firm favorite among both locals and visitors since it is home to so many famous species. Here, a variety of animals are housed in spacious enclosures, including elephants, giraffes, lions, tigers, rhinos, orangutans, and kangaroos. From high boardwalks, visitors might get a bird's eye view of some of the animals or come close to a giraffe up close. Visitors might wish to arrive in the morning, as visiting the zoo in the afternoon might be a hot activity.